For this demo purpose, we will create one time-based workflow. Let's navigate to the conversations icon once again and select Settings. Then we will choose the Automations card. Click on the Create New button and rename the workflow to Customer Reply Pending. We can add a description, but for this demo we will skip that and move on to the triggers. The trigger we will configure is Customer Reply is pending for more than 2 hours. Moving on to the actions, where we will set an action, send message to customer, saying, "Hi, can I help you with something else?" Last thing to do is to select Create Workflow button. This automation means that if agents were to wait for end users' reply for 2 hours, then an action would take place and end users would receive the message. This really brings the customer experience to the next level and reduces the manual work for the agents. Now let's create event-based workflow. In this case, certain event will trigger some action. For this demo purpose, we will click on Event-based workflows and choose Create New. Rename it to the event-based workflow and set a trigger. In this case, survey feedback received with score happy. And then moving on to the actions, where we will set Close Conversation. To make this automation work, we will select Create Workflow. And this is it. The automation is created. In this case, what triggers the workflow is when the end user submits the survey and it has the score happy. We can add more automations and change the rules, and I encourage you to do so. But for this demo, this will be it.